I guess I should be responsible and get right onto my homework. Tomorrow.
Let's go back to the...
These results are often referred to under the banner of the cocktail party effect. There you are at a party.
My computer, didn't you just see it
As I was saying before Esabelle's outburst,
It's very tempting to type your notes, but try taking notes by hand instead. Studies show that you remember information better when your hand is forming the letters and words, rather than simply tapping computer keys. Plus, you won't have as many temptations this way.
Let's go back to the beginning.
To estimate how long you will take to complete a project, don't estimate by yourself. In general, we have too optimistic an outlook and guess we will need less time than we actually will. Instead, ask someone close to you, like a parent, roommate, sibling, or best friend, to guess how long it will take you. Studies show that they actually estimate your project's completion time better than you do.
Never pull the trigger, no.
After learning something completely new, rest for about 10 minutes. You'll absorb and retain 25% more info. It will give your mind more energy to devote the info to long-term memory and enable you to retrieve the info more easily in the future. I thought you were studying.
I am studying.
You are not studying.
I'm totally studying.
She is not studying.
I know what you're thinking, and quit thinking it.
Another great way to remember new info is to link it to already known info in the brain. For example, when you learn a new fact about, say, Japanese history, you can put it into context and therefore better recall it if you think about how it relates to all your other knowledge on this topic. This creates mental pathways through which you can access this information, increasing the chances that you will be able to recall it during an exam. Ma'am, what did I miss yesterday in class? Oh yes, I gave the assignment to research and memorize all 120 important people for the exam in 3 days. Thank you. To keep a long list of items in mind, try creating visuals for the items in the list. For example, when I took criminology in college and had to remember dozens of names of important figures, I visualized them as different animals. I would even visualize them in settings or performing certain actions if this helped me to remember the important facts. Odd as this may sound, it's best to study under the same conditions as you take a test. Similar conditions will help you more easily retrieve information from your memory when you need it. For example, wear school clothes while studying. What the heck? And sit at a desk instead of a sofa or bed. Because smell is closely linked to memory retrieval, try wearing a perfume or lotion while studying, then wear the same one to the test. If it's possible, you could even sit in the same room as the exam location while you review your notes for a huge boost in memory retrieval. And the best part is, it's a very simple and easy change to make in your study routine. Hey, could you come pick me up? Well, I was in my room, but then I was zapped into my school clothes, sprayed with perfume, and transported to school by a disembodied voice.